Auditability. Auditability. Auditability is the ability to trace, inspect, and explain how an AI model was trained, updated, and used to make decisions.
A simple way to think about auditability is like a detailed flight recorder for your AI system. Every dataset, training run, model version, and prediction is logged, so you can replay what happened later. Instead of a black box, you get a time-stamped story of how the model evolved and how it behaved in specific situations.
In a bank using AI for loan approvals, strong auditability means you can see exactly which data, model version, and parameters were used for a specific customer's decision, and who changed what in the pipeline. This connects closely to responsible AI, where organizations need documented evidence to show decisions were made fairly and consistently.
Auditability matters because regulators, customers, and engineers all need to understand and sometimes challenge AI decisions, especially in high-stakes domains like finance, healthcare, and hiring. Without auditability, you cannot reliably debug failures, prove compliance, or build long-term trust in your AI systems.